Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hot cycle, which is actually a combination of the two cycles. One is higher temperature region and the other is lower temperature region, is called A. Dual cycle, B. Duplicated cycle, C. Twin cycle, D. Binary cycle. Binary cycle. Question number 77. We can increase the efficiency of Rankine cycle by lowering the condenser pressure. B. Superheating steam to high temperature. Yes. Increasing boiler pressure. Yes. All of the above is right. This is the parameter of the increasing the efficiency of the Rankine cycle. Question number 78. Production of more than one useful form of energy from the same energy source is called A. Cogeneration, B. Coordination, C. Corporation, D. Cooperation. A. Cogeneration. Next question. Consider the following statement. Assertion: use a higher steam pressure in the power plants has increased pollution. Reason: high capacity steam plants burns more quantity of fuel. Yes, both are true. Question for a given need of operating pressure limits of a Rankine cycle, the highest efficiency occur for saturated cycle, superheated cycle, reheated cycle, regeneration cycle. The regeneration cycle. The reheated factor in the steam turbine depends on A. Exit pressure only, B. Stage efficiency only, initial pressure and the temperature only, all the above, D. All the above. Question number 82. Which one of the following statement is correct? A. Efficiency of the Carnot cycle for the thermal power plant is high and the work ratio is also high in comparison to the Rankine cycle. B. Efficiency of the Carnot cycle is high and work ratio is low comparison to the Rankine cycle. It is the right. B. Efficiency of the Carnot cycle is high and the work ratio is low in comparison to the Rankine cycle is the correct. Friends, question number 83. When is the greatest economy obtained? Regenerative heating cycle. A. Steam is extracted from only one suitable points of a steam turbine. B. Steam is exerted only from the last stage of a steam turbine. C. Steam is exerted only from the first stage of the steam turbine. D. Steam is extracted from several places in the different stages of the steam turbine. D. Steam extracted from several places in the different stages of the steam turbine. Friends, question number 84. The ideal cycle on which steam engine works is A. Carnot cycle, B. Rankine cycle, C. Otto cycle, D. Joule cycle, B. Rankine cycle. Question number 85. In condensing steam engine, A. The pressure is more than the atmospheric pressure, B. The pressure is below the atmospheric pressure, C. The pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure, D. The complete vacuum exists in the condenser. B. The pressure is below atmospheric pressure. Question number 86. The main advantage of a reheat Rankine cycle is A. Reduced moisture content in low pressure side of the turbine, B. Increase the efficiency, C. Reduced load on the condenser, D. Reduce load on pump. A. Reduce the moisture content in low pressure turbine. Question number 87. Consider the following statement. The efficiency of the vapor power Rankine cycle can increase by increasing the temperature of the working fluid at the which heat is added. 2. Increasing the pressure of the working fluid at the pressure which heat is added. 3. Decreasing the temperature of the working fluid at which heat is rejected. Both are correct. Question number 88. Every attempt is made to convert different source of energy into electricity because A. Electricity is convenient to use, B. Its conversion efficiency is very high, C. It can be easily and efficiently transmit over a great distance, D. All the above. D. All the above. Question number 89. The specific steam consumption is expressed is A. kg per kilojoule second, B. kg per kilowatt hour. C. kg per hour per kilojoule. D. kg per second per kilojoule. B. kg per kilowatt hour. Question number 90. In a Rankine cycle, with the maximum steam temperature being fixed from metallurgical consideration, as the boiler pressure increases, A. The condenser load will increase, the quality of the turbine exhaust will decrease, the quality of the turbine exhaust will increase, the quality of the turbine exhaust will remain unchanged. B. The quality of the turbine exhaust will decrease. Question number 91. The conversion of the water from the 14 degree centigrade to steam at the 200 degree centigrade at the pressure 1 bar, the best expressed. A is the best expressed because this is the saturated line. There is the steam is starting, liquid is start to vapor. The 100 degree centigrade, there is the 100 degree centigrade, that move the 100 degree centigrade. Question number 92. In a steam power plant, feed water heater is a heat exchanger to preheat the feed water by A. Leaving steam from the steam generator. B. Hot flow gases coming out of the boiler furnace. C. Hot air from air preheater. D. Extracting steam from turbine. D. Extracting steam from turbine. Question number 93. The bottom cycle of the cogeneration low-grade waste heat is used for A. Processing, B. Power generation, C. Feed waste heating, D. None of the above, B. Power generation. Question number 94. From the boiler mounting accessories, chapter 2 is started. A device used to put a fire in the furnace of the boiler when the level of the water in the boiler fails to an unsafe limit. A. Economizer. B. Fusible plug. C. Superheater. D. Blow-up clock. B. Fusible plug. Question number 95. Locomotive type of the boiler. A. Horizontal multitubular water tube boiler. B. Water wall enclosed furnace type. C. Vertical tubular fire type boiler. D. Horizontal multitubular fire tube boiler. D. Horizontal multitubular fire tube boiler. Question number 96. The Benson boiler has A. No steam drum, B. A vertical steam drum and horizontal steam drum, D. Two drums, one for water and the another for steam. No steam drum. Benson boiler is a supercritical boiler, one throw boiler. Directly liquid is converted in steam. Mainly water is converted in steam. So no required in the steam drum. Question number 97. Which of the following is the water tube boiler? A. Cochrane boiler. B. Lancashire boiler. C. Babcock-Wilcox boiler. D. Locomotive boiler. Babcock-Wilcox is a water tube boiler. Cochrane, Lancashire, locomotive, they are the fire tube boiler. Question number 98. In a boiler, the device in which the waste heat of the flow gases is utilized for the heating feed water is called a superheater, injector, economizer, air preheater, feed water heater. This is called the economizer. Question number 99. The draught in the locomotive boiler is produced by chimney, centrifugal fan, steam jet, locomotive. C. Steam jet. Question number 100. What can you say about a water tube boiler's efficiency when compared to the fire tube boiler with equal features? Fire tubes has higher efficiency than water tube. B. Water tube has higher efficiency than fire tube. Both are the same efficiency, cannot quantified. B. Water tube has the higher efficiency than the fire tube. 100 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट. ओके. 1000 क्वेश्चन का जो सीरीज चल रहा है, इसे पूरा करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखना और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना. थैंक यू.